In this lecture we'll know about the formula bar. So here if we see that the under the ribbon, below the ribbon, this fx, so this space is called the formula bar. Here is the formula bar. So whenever you click on some number, so if it follows any formula, then here it will show. So here 6780 doesn't follow any formula and it's a number only. Then it shows only 6780. So here if you click on this figure, this profit, this follows a formula that is E17 minus E18. So it will be shown here in the formula bar. So if you click here, this figure, this formula will be shown here. So if you want to check whether if it goes, the figure follows any formula or it falls into any formula, then just click on the number or the cell and then you can see the formula here in the formula bar. That's all for this lecture. In this chapter we'll know how to create very simple formulas on Excel. So here, first of all we'll look at the subtraction. So here sales and expenses. So from sales, if you deduct expenses, then we'll get the profit. So how will we calculate that one? So in simple calculator we will subtract the figure, but here in Excel, whenever you write any formula, it will be started with the equal sign. So first you click on the equal sign. So after that, just here it is a very simple formula. I will show different techniques in other classes. So here go to the cell address, like here whenever you click E17, that the sales figure, then after equal, this one will be shown here. So after that, the formula will be the E17 minus E18. So from sales you will deduct the expense figure. So after that we click on the minus sign, and after that we click on expenses figure. So it will show here the E17 minus E18. So after that you just click on the enter, you will find the profit figure. So this is very simple way of subtracting. So here we'll know about the addition or summation. So if we want to add the sales figure here from January to December, so how will we calculate the total? So here in Excel, under the formulas, there are many functions, many formula functions you can look up here. So now we'll look at how to calculate the summation. So after the clicking on the equal, just click on the SUM. So you don't write the full SUM. After clicking on the S, then you will get the sum. Then just click on the mouse pointer, click with the mouse pointer on the sum, then you will get a bracket or parenthesis. Then just click from left or right whatever cells you want to add. From here just click until here. You can get the from B5 to M5. You will subtract all, then just click enter. So you can get the total figure here. So this is the very simple way of adding. So just I am replying again, then you will get it very easily. First you click on the equal sign and then SUM, just click on S, then you get SUM, then just click with the mouse pointer this one, and then you click on the cell you want to add, and then after that just in the below down here just drag the cell up to here up to here, and then just click enter. You get the total figure within a fraction of seconds. And now we'll learn about the calculating the averages. So here what will be the average? So if we divide total figure by 12, then we'll get the average. So how will we get the average? So before creating any formula, always remember that you have to click on equal sign. So after clicking on the equal sign, if we click on the cell that will be divided by 12, then N5, then division is here this sign, then divide by 12. So after that you just click enter and you will get the average. So here equal, and then click on the cell N6, then division by 12, divided by 12. So you will get the average within a very few seconds. Now we learn how to copy a formula. So in Excel it is very easy to automate your work. So here in this figure we can see that we have to subtract expenses from sales figure. So here in the next cell the formula will be the same. Here in this cell the formula will be the same. So my question is, do we need to put the formula again and again? No. Here is the trick. So you click on this figure, so go to the right side down. Here you can see that the bottom right side, the small plus, and then just drag it to the cells. It will automatically put the formula. So here in this figure we can see that the formula here F7 minus F18. So here in this figure we can see the formula here G17 minus G18. So for like this, here is the summations or additions. So from here, if we click on the bottom right, you will see that the small icon, and then if we drag from here to here, it will automatically show you the results. You don't need to put the formulas again and again. Like this here, the average. So go to the bottom right side, drag it from here to here, or on all the cells, you'll see the results within a fraction of seconds. So it's very easy to work with Excel. So let's go to the next lecture. In this lecture we'll learn how to calculate the year-to-date total. So here the total profit for January is this figure. So in February the total profit will be the profit for January and plus the profit for February. So how will we calculate this one? So after calculating, clicking on the equal sign and then the sum, and then we have to click on the cell that we want to add, and then plus, then these. After that you click on the enter. So this amount will be the total profit till February. So if we want to get this type of formula, the same formula in March, then just click on the bottom right. When you see the small plus, then just drag till here, then you will get this figure automatically. So like this you will be able to generate many formulas. These are the very basics of Excel. So in the next lecture we will show how to calculate the percentage change. In this lecture we will know how to calculate the percentage change. So here from January to February to March we have seen the year to date change profit and profit from different months. So if we want to know the percentage change of the profit, how much the percentage changes, then we have to calculate from different figures. So in many times you have to calculate the percentage change of the profit. So if we want to know the how much the profit changes, so we have to calculate from these three figures, from profit figures. So the profit for January was this figure, profit for February was that figure. So if we calculate that, the percentage change, the equal, and then we have to subtract from just here, then you click on the cell F19, then minus this cell is E19, then close the bracket. Always remember that whenever you work in these way, like calculating percentage change and where there are more than one calculations is involved, it's very important to put the bracket or parenthesis. So here after that you have to divide it by E19. So divided by E19, then you can see the percentage here is the minus 0.882. So after that, here you put on the under the home menu, you can find the percentage icon, so you click on that. So the profit falls to minus 88%. So here, if you want to know the percentage change in March, then just go to the bottom right here corner. After showing the small plus, just drag it here, and then you can see the percentage changes. Very sorry for my low pace for this lecture. So let's go to the next lecture. So under the formula menu there are many functions. So the functions you are interested to work, it is very easy to find. So first I'm going here. So under financial section, you can see these functions. So almost all financial functions are listed here. So under the math function, math and trig, here you can see the functions listed here. So if you are interested to work for a function that, like suppose you are interested to work the function db, so you don't need to go to that sections to find that one. So just click on equal sign and then just click on the letter D, and you can find the functions with D, all the functions with D. And here you can see the function db. Just click here, then you can work with this function. So like this you can work the functions as you like. So the functions that serves your purpose.